Look at you. Why? Why are you conscious? You're so pretty. Bilis na, we have to see you in the stairs with Mama.
Sige. Muna akong galitin na. Papaluin na kita. Oh, Lola will bring you to school.
Yeah. Cute. You're so pretty. Hey, ikaw naman, gaya-gaya ka lang eh. Ikaw talaga, di mo ako pinapansin eh. Hindi mo ako pinapansin eh. Look at ate. Look at her. Ay, don't be abang, ha? Make friends in school.
Muna